Okay, padayon lang kita. Haton last nato yung solve nga problem. Letter B, letter C. Yan, sa naman ano. So again, your frictional force and your normal force would start at zero dito igbaw tapos it is varying. So actually, varying forces talaga ya. Mm, but dito ubos, just as the rock reaches point B, what is the normal force? So kita unta dito ubos. Ubos kasi, you have that equation. Yes. Turon tayo niya. Or analyze ko na ganun niya. Yes, your sort summations of Fy would have an equal to n minus W. Turon tayo niya. Jadi pag nakikita ko na ano solution dito. Anyway, mag-save ako, paparaon ko man lang niya. Di-delete ko lang ya. So, mabalik kita imo second law of Newton. Second law of Newton's test that the summations of Fy is equal to bagayan zero ano, but again, magiging baganin sagulan nimo problema imo circular motion. Because again, this is a ball. Ano ito normal force will always act going to that center and that will create that acceleration. Ini nga normal force, di ba? Tikang di diha igbawan nimo ball. Actually, your normal force always goes to that acceleration which varies. Actually, varying acceleration niya, but at the, kung sa lang nga point, pwede mo kasi assume na, yes, it has a varying acceleration because it has two acceleration. Actually, pag may varying force ka kasi, diba, varying net force in din hinga side, may varying net force ka man, of course, your gravity is not varying, but your frictional force and normal force is varying. So, meaning, ano mo summations of forces talaga din is, may dani mo acceleration rod, ngan may dani mo acceleration nga, acceleration niya tangential. Pero kasi, nga imo normal force, amo la ito ya iton, katadungan hit imo radial force, meaning an imo hito normal force, I mean on the y-axis, it imo la contribution na imo radial. Ano imo radial? Which is ma, that a is going to the center na that is positive, dili pinakaubos, so that summation of fy is equal to ma, anito nga a haimo la y, and that is your a radial, meaning a rad. Again, dudua iton acceleration yan radial ng tangential, tipakadi ng tipaigbaw. So, ito lagi account at imo radial ng acceleration. Which is actually, ano mula ito, W nga tipaubos, negative, plus your N, normal force. By that, you can compute that normal force. Normal force is equal to W plus your MA rad. So, ano man ito nga imo radial, balik kang adton imo acceleration in a circle, in a circular motion, which is a rad is equal to v squared all over r. So, ano man aton linear velocity dira nga side, which is we've already computed it to be 2.8. So, basically, that would be an mg plus your ma rad. So, pwede mo igawas it m. That would be an mg plus a rad. A radial. So, you substitute it, that would be 0.2 kilogram, then you have 9.80665 meters per second squared, plus your A radial, which is 2.8 squared meters squared per second squared, all over your ibagin squared natin all over R, which is 0.5 meters. Tanggal ano sa meters. So, that would give you meters per second squared dd, tapos kilogram magawas. So, you would have Newton. Okay? So, 0.2 times 9.80665 plus your 2.8 squared all over your 0.5. So, kumbi-kumbi na. And that would give you a 5.1 Newton. 5.1 Newton. That would be your normal force. Okay? So, nagtitika. Mau pa na lagi, papananggal ko magkori, sir. Mau pa na lang, sir. Papananggal ko magkori. But anyway, amo ko baga, amo ko dalaga nato nini. Kaya, of course, nakikita ko man liwat, ito yung facing. Pakspasan tangali na masyado, amo lagi, pagpapaot-uwat lagi pitakwis. Di ba? Meaning, magugug tindur tiyo, quiz, aslay, dun kuman lagi hapon. So, anyway, sulod man ninihan ka ng ched nga kuan, warimat niya detail. Nakabutang lang dito nga you have to discuss work, energy, power. Sa amin ito, giniwasan ko mga magkuri nga site. May kita talaga niyo discussion libre, may magkuri na niya nga site. So, but, ay, anyway, wala man kita terms. Pero kung may spare, sa bagay, wala man ka spare lot nga time. Ano. Pero kung may spare ka mo nga time, actually, mas mo pa ibasahon good niyo or kitaan niyo ang mga example problems. Kasi wala na kasi ko time liwat maghatag mga sample problems. Kung maghatag lang ako sample problems, bubuligong kulat ya quiz. Sa maladi. Pero kung correct talaga niyo, kung may sobra ka mo nga time, you read ang mga atong kiniskipan nga topic ka ng piso. Kaya na akong lang, masunod lang talaga liwat ang kanang chat nga maka masakto at oras. Okay? Thank you guys for listening. So, duha ka problem kanan. I think this is work nga side. Potential energy. Potential energy kasi nimo gintanggal ta agin ang kanan nimo kanan spring. Di ba? So, duha luwat ka problem about kinetic energy. Work energy nga kanang kinetic. So, this is potential nga side. Anong potential kasi liwat, tanay, mabubulig na talaga ng kinetic. Because the phasing nga nimo book, kinetic anay, tapos pag potential niya, lapid na gapit at potential, lapid na gapit dynamics, lapid na gapit, di ba? Kumbaga, yun nga subject is accumulating. I do believe there niya sugad pagka second, pagka after midterm. Kay bagan, yes, may part niya nga kuan, pero ma-concentrate kita more on concept, han kada chapter nga aton king di na meaning di mahatag yung problem about though appeal iti concept pero kay wala man kita quiz concept. But anyway, kita na gud lang niyo. Diri kasi para pang chemistry, bulag-bulag di pa nato pag-study. Ini amit concept kuan tapos solve kita ang problem nga di. Ini din pero mintiya napatong. Isunod nga topic napatong na lotiya. Ay, that what makes this hard. So yan ako lang na baga na i-realize nga siguro complication physics mabalik ako number category as 7 ita akon in terms of hardship physics tapos kung 5 ita akon rating itong chemistry. But anyway, so that I can also relate with respect to the subjects that I'm handling. Thank you guys for listening. God bless.